What's going on, Mopar fam? I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. So today we're going to do another video on a subscriber's build, and this one is sweet. We're going to do a 2005 Magnum RT, and this thing is not just no grocery getter, guys. This thing will haul some mail. So before we get started on the video, I do want to mention a few things. One, I got some new hoodies up, so if your Hemi is hurting some feelings, definitely go pick one of these up. They're super awesome, and this is probably my favorite one so far. Also, if anybody out there is needing anything nitrous related, nitrous kits, parts, bottles, water meth kits, anything from Nitrous Express, I have a promo code set up through them right now. Promo code Frostbite will get you 5% off anything at the store. So you do have to go to Nitrous Express website and order through their site. And promo code Frostbite will get you 5% off anything. And they also offer free shipping on anything over $100. So definitely hit them up if you're needing a nitrous kit. It'll save you some money. And also don't forget to make sure you're subscribed to the channel, as we are going to do the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. When we hit the 10,000 subs, I'm going to be giving away a free nitrous kit, or your choice of custom Greene racing tune, or $350 to the Gage Performance Store for anything you need for your Hemi. So other than that, guys, let's get on the video. So Zach hit us up, and he has a 2005 Magnum RT that has currently ran a best of 12.89 at 105.89 miles an hour. That is super sick for a Magnum. And honestly, I don't see a lot of Magnums at my racetrack, so I'm super stoked to find this one and share it with you guys, as I know there's not a huge crowd for the Magnums or the 300 crowd out there, so hopefully you guys find this one and appreciate it. The DA was about 186, he said, and the mods on this car to run those numbers was a Greene Racing custom tune running a 100 octane tune. He had BBK 1 3/4 long tubes, no cats. He has a Fastman throttle body that's 84 millimeter, JLT cold air intake, a 3200 stall converter, a 180 thermostat, and 391 gears. And it pulled off a 12/8 quarter, and I'm sure this car has a lot more in it, but that is super badass for a Magnum, and that is one hell of a sleeper. If you pulled up next to this thing, I'm telling you right now, it would absolutely destroy your feelings if you were not ready for it. So definitely a Hemi that's hurting some feelings. So let's check it out. What we got? What we got? Looks like a Challenger. Oh, he got the Challenger. Got the launch. Hell yeah, Zach. Thanks for sharing the Magnum with us. Much appreciated. And I can't wait to see more builds like this. This is what it's all about, is sharing these builds so everybody can see them, get them out there, and share it with the world. That's what I'm talking about. So I think that's going to do it for the video today, guys. So as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button for the notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.